Okay, good morning 11th class. Today our topic is dual nature of matter. In earlier video that we have learned about limitation of Bohr atom, या Bohr model of atom. So in that one of the drawback or big drawback is that he failed to explain dual nature of matter. Okay, and either you can say it's failed to explain dual nature of matter and Heisenberg uncertainty principle that we'll study in later on. Okay, now just see, in case of dual nature of matter, dual means two. Okay, the matter shows both the type of nature, means just see, light is a matter. Okay, so light exhibit wave as well as particle properties. Okay, so this one, so in 1924 Louis de Broglie suggested that just as light exhibit wave as well as particle properties, so all microscopic material particle, okay, like either it's an electron, proton, atoms, okay, they also have dual character, means they shows, okay, properties particle as well as wave, they behave as particle as well as wave. Okay, so that thing was given by de Broglie, but remember one thing, he gave only theory, there is no experimental verification for this thing. लेकिन उसने उसकी बात ही इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग थी उसने जो रखी है. Okay, simple theory was there, no experimental verification, but still he got Nobel Prize for that. Okay, later on एक्सपेरिमेंटल वेरिफिकेशन वॉज देयर, बट वो काफ़ी बाद आया था और वो भी डी ब्रॉगली ने उसका कुछ नहीं किया, वो किसी और साइंटिस्ट ने इसकी क्या करी, एक्सपेरिमेंटल वेरिफिकेशन दी है, बट नॉट गिवन बाय डी ब्रॉगली. ही गेव ओनली थ्योरी, उसने सिर्फ बोला था कि ये इसकी तरह बिहेव करता है और उसने एक इक्वेशन भी दी है जिससे उसने क्या किया, इसको प्रूफ भी किया. ओके, नाउ जस्ट सी, इन दिस वन ही गेव वन इक्वेशन, दैट वन इज लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू h upon mv. This v is velocity of particle. Okay, so instead of this we can write p also, because momentum, okay, m into v, that is equal to momentum, and that is represented by p. So this one is again your formula, it's required for numerical. Okay, now we have a short derivation to prove this. Okay, simple, according to Einstein, that one is E is equal to mc square. Okay, take it equation 1. Now according to Planck, पर क्या पढ़ा था हमने, E is equal to h nu, take it equation 2. Now equating 1 and 2 because E is common. Now mc square is equal to h nu. Nu कोई काम नहीं है, our concern is with velocity. Again, now just see, in this one, that is convert this nu into in form of velocity, that is c upon lambda. Formula लगा दे, c to c cancel. Okay, this lambda goes up, mc goes down, so this one is lambda is equal to h upon m into c. Okay, instead of this for particle, because this c is for velocity of light only, but for particle instead of c we can use v. तो lambda is equal to h upon m v, and mv किसके इक्वल होता है, मोमेंटम के इक्वल. तो इफ़ यू वांट तो वी कैन राइट lambda is equal to h upon p. It depend upon question कि what's the demand of your question, तो उसमें mv यूज़ करना है या फिर p यूज़ करना है, it depends upon your question. Okay, now 11th class, just see one question. A tennis ball of mass 6 into 10 to the power minus 2 kg is moving with a speed of 62 meter per second. Calculate the wavelength associated with this moving tennis ball. Will the movement of this ball exhibit a wave character? Explain. Okay, now remember one thing, only microscopic particles shows wave character. Although we are also matter, हम सब क्या है, मैटर हैं, तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि हम लोग क्या हैं, वेव हैं. बट जब अगर हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो आर वेवलेंथ इज़ वेरी वेरी शॉर्ट एंड दैट कैन नॉट बी डिटेक्टेड. ओके, तो वो डिटेक्ट नहीं हो सकती. तो नाउ जस्ट सी, विल सी कि ये आपका वेव कैरेक्टर शो करेगा या नहीं करेगा. नाउ जस्ट सी फॉर्मूला, दैट वन इज लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू एच अपॉन वी, सो एच अपॉन एम वी. ओके, बिकॉज मास इज गिवन, this kg, velocity is given, and h formula, that one is 6.626. instead of this you can use this also, 6.63 also, both will give same answer. Okay, into 10 to the power minus 34 kg meter square second inverse. Okay, instead of this your unit, you can use unit, which one, that one is joule second, but here kg and another thing is given, so that's why we are using this unit. Okay, value for both the units are same. Okay, now put values. Okay, 6.63 into 10 raised to power minus 34 upon 6 into 10 raised to power minus 2 into 62. Now this one, after solving this, when you will solve it, after solving this, your answer is 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 34 meter. Now just see, this value is very small. Okay, so this wavelength is too small to be measured, and therefore the wave nature of such a ball cannot be detected. ठीक है, इसकी वैल्यू जो आ रही है वो कैसी आ रही है, बहुत छोटी आ रही है, तो इसको हम क्या कर सकते हैं, डिटेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. दस द बॉल विल नॉट हैव वेव कैरेक्टर एंड विल डिस्क्राइब द फिक्स्ड पाथ. ओके, बिकॉज यू नो डी ब्रॉगली इक्वेशन इज फॉर किसके लिए, माइक्रोस्कोपिक पार्टिकल, नॉट फॉर दिस वन जिसका वेट कितना हो, 6 into 10 raised to power minus 2 kg. Okay, now second question we have, just see, this one is the mass of an electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg. Okay, full stop. If the kinetic energy is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 25 joule, calculate its wavelength. Okay, now for this one you can use which formula, simple, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Now in this, okay, just see, in this one so you have to calculate the wavelength. For calculating wavelength, our formula is h upon mv. Okay, but v is not given, so you have to calculate v with which formula, that one is kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Now just see, in this one put values, kinetic energy is this one. Okay, half, m is given 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31, v, value of v you have to calculate for calculating lambda. Okay, now just see, after solving this square goes that side and becomes square root. Now you know square root of 2, that one is around 1.414 into this one become 10 raised to power 3 upon under root 3, this one is approximately 3. Okay, so you can write 1.732. now after solving this, your answer is 812 meter per second. This one is value of v. Okay, now you have to calculate what, that one is lambda. Lambda is equal to h upon mv. H, it's a fixed value, you have to learn. Okay, 6.626, you can write 6.63 also. Okay, into 10 raised to power minus 34 upon mass 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 into 812. Okay, now after solving this, your answer is 8967 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter, or either you can convert it into Armstrong, it's your wish. 8967 Armstrong. Okay, this one is your question. Now one question is for you. Now just see, calculate the wavelength of an electron moving with a velocity of 2.05 into 10 raised to power 7 meter per second. Okay, now in this one again you have to calculate wavelength of an electron, moving electron. So lambda is equal to h upon mv. Okay, whatever is given to you, okay, you can write given and after that put values and then solve your answer. Okay, thank you.